Namaskar. Welcome to weekly weather discussion of India Meteorological Department. Today is 6 August. So if we see that last 1 week, what was the weather observed and what is the weather outlook for coming 2 weeks. So if we see significant weather observed during last week, starting from 30 July to 5th August. So last week's deep depression over central parts of Chhattisgarh and adjoining north interior Odisha moved west northwestward and less centered at morning hours of 30 July over west central Chhattisgarh and adjoining areas of Vidarbha and southeast Madhya Pradesh. It further moved west southwestward and weakened into a depression in the evening hours of 30 July over east Vidarbha and adjoining west central Chhattisgarh. And on 31st July also it was as a depression over west and Vidarbha and adjoining south Madhya Pradesh. This right hand side figure shows the track, and after that it weakened into well-marked low pressure area over southeast Rajasthan and neighborhood in the morning hours of 1st August and further weakened into a low pressure area over southwest Rajasthan and neighborhood in the evening hours of the same day 1st August, and it persisted over the same region of southwest Rajasthan and neighborhood on 2nd August and further become less marked in the morning hours of 3rd August. So under the influence of this low pressure system, that heavy rainfall mainly occurred over the central parts of India, joining South Peninsular India and western parts of India. So it caused exceptionally heavy rainfall at isolated places over Gujarat region on 1st August, and 61 centimeter rainfall was recorded at Ambika station in Surat. Also extremely heavy rainfall recorded at isolated places over Chhattisgarh on 30 July, Madhya Maharashtra on 31st July and 1st August, Vidarbha Marathwada on 31st July. In addition, heavy to very heavy rainfall also recorded at isolated places over West Madhya Pradesh, Telangana on 30 and 31st July, East Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Odisha on 30 July, Gujarat region on 31st July, Saurashtra and Kutch on 2nd August, Madhya Maharashtra on 2nd and 3rd August. Apart from that, if we see that monsoon trough during last week, it was south of its normal position on 30 and 31st July, and then gradually its western end moved northward, and western wind was south of its normal position, and eastern end moved northward, so it was north of its normal position during 1st to 4th August, and after that this monsoon trough was north of its normal position on 5th August. So apart from that, there was 3 successive western disturbances which impacted the northwestern Himalaya. So you can see that rainfall belts was also over northwest Himalayan regions like Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh region, even some Himalayan West Bengal and North Bihar and northern part of Uttar Pradesh. Apart from that, that western coast region also gets good heavy rainfall spell over these regions, including Kerala, coastal Karnataka and Konkan regions. If we see observed weekly rainfall at meteorological subdivision scale during 30 July to 5th August, that all India rainfall was above normal by 7% of its long period average. And if we see that for homogeneous region wise, except northwest India, all subdivisions received either normal or above normal rainfall. Northwest India received 22% below normal rainfall, and South Peninsula received 39% above normal rainfall. Central India received 14% above normal rainfall, and East and Northeast India received 2% above normal rainfall. And if we see seasonal rainfall starting from 1st June to 5th August, that is monsoon rainfall. So country as a whole received 11% below normal, and except Central India, all 3 homogeneous region, East and Northeast India, Northwest India and South Peninsular India received below normal rainfall, while Central India received 2% above normal rainfall during the season starting from 1st June to 5th August. So now if we see that what are the forecast for coming 2 weeks, so if we see extended range forecast for coming 2 weeks, so during first week that above normal rainfall activity is likely to happen over that Andaman Nicobar region, this Kerala region and parts of Central India and East India. And in week 2, above normal rainfall is likely over that parts of central India adjoining East India, Andaman Nicobar, and west coast of India. And if we see that cyclogenesis in coming 2 weeks, so there is no any cyclogenesis probability in the entire North Indian Ocean during coming 2 weeks. However, the existing upper air cyclonic circulation over Southeast Bay of Bengal is supposed to move gradually westward during next 2 to 3 days, and the existing upper air cyclonic circulation over Northwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining North Orissa Gangetic West Bengal to persist over the same region during next 2 days and then move nearly west northwestward up to northeast Madhya Pradesh along the monsoon trough during subsequent 2 days and become less marked after that. And a fresh upper air cyclonic circulation is likely to form over North Bay of Bengal at the end of week 1 around 12th August, and under its influence a low pressure area is likely to form over Northwest Bay of Bengal around 14th August. So this is all about our weekly update. Please visit and download our mobile apps and visit our websites and see our daily updates. Thank you.